Hey there, fellow aspiring YouTubers. Today, I want to share with you some valuable insights on how to set up a niche for your YouTube channel. So, let's dive right in. The first step in setting up a niche on YouTube is to identify your passion and expertise. Think about topics that genuinely interest you and that you have knowledge or expertise in. This will ensure that you enjoy creating content and can provide value to your audience. Once you have a few topic ideas in mind, it's essential to research the demand for those topics on YouTube. Take some time to explore existing content related to your chosen topics. Look for the popularity and engagement levels of similar channels. This research will help you understand if there is a demand for your niche and if you can stand out among the competition. Now that you have a niche in mind, it's crucial to define your target audience. Consider their demographics, interests, and needs. Understanding your audience will help you tailor your content and engage with them effectively. To stand out in your niche, you need to find a unique angle or perspective. Look for ways to differentiate your channel from others. This could involve presenting your content in a unique format, offering specialized knowledge, or focusing on a specific subtopic within your niche. Once you've identified your niche and audience, it's time to develop a content strategy. Plan the types of videos you want to create, such as tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or educational content. Establish a consistent schedule for uploading new videos to keep your audience engaged. Optimizing your channel is essential to increase your visibility on YouTube. Pay attention to the visual aspects of your channel, including your banner, profile picture, and video thumbnails. Additionally, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability. Building a community around your channel is crucial for success. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, participating in discussions, and encouraging viewers to like, share, and subscribe. This interaction will help you establish a loyal audience and increase your channel's visibility. Don't forget to promote your channel outside of YouTube. Share your videos on other social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and participate in relevant online communities. These efforts will help increase your channel's exposure. Lastly, always be willing to learn and adapt. Pay attention to the analytics and feedback provided by YouTube. Analyze the performance of your videos, monitor audience engagement, and identify areas for improvement. Continuously adapt your content strategy based on the feedback you receive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up a successful niche on YouTube. Remember, building a thriving channel takes time and consistency, so stay committed to your niche, produce high-quality content, and engage with your audience. Best of luck on your YouTube journey.